Hi, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back to watch me. So I filmed a Path McGrath Ecstasy Sublime eyeshadow palette review. Such a long name, but it's such a good eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette rather. So I filmed a very short tutorial of this look, just the eyes. I'm going to show you how I achieved that. So if you come closer, I'm just going to zoom you in just so you have a closer look of how the eyeshadows apply and any fallout or anything like that. Thank you. So this is the finished look. This is how it looks like. It's kind of subtle. You can get away with wearing this every day-ish. And yeah, I didn't put any lashes today because they just were not good for me. They were just giving me hassle, so I need to learn how to put on eyelashes properly. But yes. So this is the look, and I will go ahead and talk about the eyeshadows now.